Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And right here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates, so this kind of arrow icon. Then let's tap on the second option, Languages, and go to System Languages. Then let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick this one. So just tap on it, choose the region if you can, and tap on it, of course. And now you can see that the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And from now on, we've got our new language at the very top, and after a second, our device will display everything in the chosen language. Let me go back and let me set English, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, like that, and tap on Remove. Mark the languages that you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Remove, and we've got only one language applied right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.